Okay, this particular section will help you assisting a person to shower using mobile shower chair. Stop before you begin. You must review the support plan of the client being assisted, and in our case, you will get the support plan of the client in the folder that is kept under the work group for the client and within the drive. Okay, so think about the task, any equipment needed, and the readiness of the client. Think about other options if this task cannot be done safely. Assess the client by watching or talking to them to see if they are willing and able to participate in the task, and review other options available if client is not ready for the task. Talk to your supervisor or manager about other options. The potential hazards while transferring to the shower chair could be skeletal or soft tissue or muscular injury to client from accidental fall, or muscular or soft tissue or skeletal injury to workers, that is you, from incorrect movement, posture, repetitive bending, leaning or reaching, or a slip on the wet surface. So what safety provisions will help you? To prevent risk of injury to yourself or clients during this manual task, you should follow all steps of this safe work instruction. Be aware of movements during task. Do not exceed one's ability or reach. Wear rubber safety boots provided for the task. If you do not have one, get one and get the reimbursement from us. And if you are a contractor, that will be your expense. Avoid slips or trips. One worker can complete this task unless stated otherwise in support plan. Communicate with client and other workers at every step of this task. So instructions are here now. So first of all, the setup. Check the mobile shower chair is in good condition. Ensure wheels move smoothly and frame is sturdy. If any faults, report immediately and do not use. Then check the safety belt if it is available on the model that you are using for signs of wear and damage. If any faults, report immediately and do not use. Number 3, ensure familiarity with use of mobile shower chair. If unsure, review standard operating procedure for this chair. This will be available with the participant or client. Report immediately if SOP or standard operating procedure for this chair is not available. Collect rubber safety boots provided on site and put these on. Refer to client support plan for specific information. Now, operation part. Step number 1. Assist client into mobile shower chair. So what action you need to do? You need to ensure brakes are engaged on mobile shower chair, number one. That is important. If client is ambulant, stand beside chair and provide support if required. If client is not ambulant, transfer them into commode chair via a portable washed, stand lifter, ceiling washed. In each instance, please follow steps on the relevant safe work instruction. Number 2 step is move client with mobile shower chair. Slowly push client in mobile shower chair into bathroom. Do not twist or attempt to steer sidewards and report if steering issues. Some shower chairs may have a directional caster which allows directed steering. If a sling has been used in transfer process, remove this when in bathroom. Number 3 step is position mobile shower chair in shower recess. Prepare client for shower. Assist client with removing garments if required. Move mobile shower chair into shower recess. Avoid sudden movements. When chair is in shower recess, apply brakes. Assist client with showering. Does client require assistance with washing? Ask yourself this question and ask the client also this question. If yes, perform task with minimal bending and stretching. Do not strain, overstretch, or hold an awkward posture. If, if insufficient space to access both sides, you must reposition mobile shower chair to give access. Number 5 step is remove client from the mobile shower chair. What you need to do is to assist client out of mobile shower chair as per their support plan. Okay, so look at support plan for everything before you start taking any action. So a support plan, if you don't get support plan, uh, or if you're not able to use it, find it in the CRM, always ask your supervisor or manager. Okay, they will be able to send you in your email or maybe on your phone using a link that you can access from. Okay, use relevant equipment and sling if required. Make sure client is safe before removing equipment. And in the end, safely conclude the task. What you need to do here is make sure client is comfortable, put mobile shower chair away, place all other equipment in correct storage areas, and document any incident and report to supervisor immediately. So when it says document any incident and report to supervisor immediately, um, first you have to report in the Careflow software, which we have provided you the access of, under the case note and under the incident report if any incident is there. And if you want to ring to the supervisor, that will be great. Okay. And with this, I take leave now, and thank you very much for all the work that you are doing and undertaking this training. Thank you.